up, Dylan?
What's good?
Alright, what are we doing right now, Dylan?
I'm about to put on my rear lip that I got.
Nice.
You getting rep? This is all good.
Bro, so when are you gonna get bags?
Soon. Give me this year, don't worry.
This year for sure?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to shoot for it.
Alright, so we're about to install this rep Mugen lip. And yesterday we wrapped it. And it's polyurethane, so it should be pretty durable, right? Right, Dylan?
Yeah, that's a fucking hassle, dude. I'm just having a weird time.
So if you guys want to wrap polyurethane, you probably have to. So what we did was we sanded it down and then he primered it, added primer so then the wrap would stick. And then he painted this part black. Alright guys, so far we got the car on jack stands and took off the wheels. And pretty much we're just gonna mount this thing on. So pretty much it just has some self-tappers on the edges. There should be like 2 here, 2 on the other side, and then just self-tap it on. And yeah, should be pretty much it. And we'll see how the fitment is, because this is a rep lip, so hopefully it fits pretty good. But if not, we'll probably have to do some modifications. So let's close this trunk. So here is how it looks before the lip. For comparison, and then once we put the lip on, I'll show you guys how it looks with the lip. But hopefully it should kind of fill out this rear end. Damn, bro, this guy got baller lug nuts, dude. Project Kicks. Damn, that boy baller. Hey, face down, ass up. Alright guys, so here's the fitment so far. There is gaps because it is a rep, but hopefully maybe some double-sided tape or some silicone will kind of seal it together. But yeah, we just self-tap the screws here. It looks like right here it kind of flares out a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if it's because it's the rep, but it's just self-tappers. But we could only find room to fit 1 on each side. So I don't know how sturdy that would be like driving on the freeway. But yeah, we'll see. We'll try to get the fitment looking good. Hi guys, so it's freaking getting late, but we tried to do the silicone. Silicone's not working. We're about to go to the store and grab some double-sided tape. Hopefully that works. And the sun is going down again. That's what we need right there.
Sticky with it.
Yeah, it holds up to 15 pounds.
Dude, let's go here.
Let's get it. Alright, we're pretty much done. That's how it looks. Looks pretty good. And right here, it was popping out a little bit. But we just used a heat gun. And then made it hot, pushed it in, and then let it cool in that position. And it kind of closed the gap a little bit, but we just still got that 1 piece of tape. Alright, so Dylan has a Type S badge that he's gonna put on now.
Dude, look at my slippers. Ripped? Dude, this one ripped. So I'm walking, I'm tripping, bro.
What size are you?
That's like an 8.
Wait, try mine. I have an extra one at home.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool.
It's too big? Or it's cool?
Dude, it doesn't matter. It's just slippers. Like, I'll just wear it to wear.
Yeah, I'll give you one. Give me one later.
I'm gonna go back to LA. I mean, Hawaii.
Prep the surface. What if you put it like right here in the middle?
Look at that dude's Instagram.
Is this an authentic badge or is it a replica badge?
Look it up. Look at the. I'm pretty sure there's actually as a guy.
So this is the picture we're looking at. I'm gonna try to make it accurate. Accurate.
Accurate.
The finishing touch right here.
Oh, this is scary, bro.
Yeah, one try.
It's actually hella scary, bro. Whatever, mine's custom. I'm gonna do this.
S-type.
Can I just send it?
Send it, bro. Fuck it.
What?
Yeah, is it straight?
Wait,
Eye
holy
test.
shit, you scaring me, dude.
Boom. Oh yeah. It's crooked.
Shut up, bro.
I'm just kidding. Nah, shit looks good.
Let's give it on this side. This angle.
Yeah, it looks good from here too.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.